Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 must-have cordless ratchet wrenches for 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Electric Ratchet Wrench 220N.M Cordless Driver. This high-power cordless electric wrench is compatible with DeWalt 18V and 20V batteries, delivering a strong 220N.M torque for various high-torque applications. Its 3/8-inch driver offers versatile performance for both DIY and professional use, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Advantages: high 220N.M torque for tough jobs, compatible with DeWalt 18V and 20V batteries. Versatile 3/8-inch driver for multiple applications. Disadvantages: higher torque may lead to quicker battery drain. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. 12V Electric Wrench Screwdriver. Designed for scaffolding and right-angle applications, this 12V cordless ratchet wrench offers 65 N.M of torque. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver, ideal for maintenance work in tight areas where larger tools may not fit, delivering reliable performance for moderate tasks. Advantages: lightweight design enhances portability. Right-angle design suits confined spaces, ideal for scaffolding applications. Disadvantages: moderate torque may not be suitable for heavy-duty tasks. At number 3. 12V/18V Electric Impact Wrench. This right-angle cordless ratchet wrench provides dual compatibility with 12V and 18V batteries, delivering versatile performance. With its compact design, it's perfect for use in confined spaces, and its impact feature enhances its torque for tough fastening and loosening tasks. Advantages: dual battery compatibility for flexible use. Right-angle design ideal for tight spaces. Impact function increases power. Disadvantages: limited torque compared to larger models. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Electric Ratchet Wrench Upgraded Extended Head. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, this cordless ratchet wrench offers a powerful 220 N.M torque and an extended head for improved access to hard-to-reach areas. It's an excellent tool for loosening and tightening nuts and bolts in narrow spaces, making it a versatile addition to any tool kit. Advantages: high torque of 220 N.M for demanding jobs, extended head for enhanced accessibility, compatible with Makita 18V battery. Disadvantages: extended head may reduce portability in compact spaces. At number 1. Kingtree Cordless Electric Charging Wrench. This cordless electric wrench from Kingtree is powered by a 12V lithium battery and features a 6-inch extended head for precise and efficient work in tight spaces. Ideal for high-torque applications, it delivers powerful performance in a compact, handheld tool, making it an excellent choice for automotive and general mechanical tasks. Advantages: high torque output for heavy-duty tasks, extended 6-inch head for increased reach. Lithium battery ensures long-lasting power. Disadvantages: battery charging time might be lengthy.